Actually, hello sister, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. So starting my sister, what's your name?
My name is Dr. Sajin. I am 20 years old. I learn at the University of Zimbabwe and I'm doing part 2.
Part 2. What program are you doing?
I'm studying economic tourism development.
Economic tourism?
Yeah.
And development?
Yes.
All right, I get you. So, lately in various campuses, we've heard that there's been a pandemic, blessers, and madhara anenge achiuya kuzotsvaga mabhebhi echidiki akanaka chichisenge imimi. Have you ever in your life or on campus experienced something like that?
Okay, fine. This issue is very difficult to deal with, mainly on universities, because in a way, TD targets Iran, like they want Fanuk University and so on. But then, in my own experience, yes, I've come across this type of people, but not here on campus. But these guys now, they have a mentality of thinking, kana urimskana, and you're still going to school. They ask you questions, auntie. For example, this other time in Nini, I was approached by a person. I told me to check my directions now.
Yeah.
So I was with a friend of mine, and they told that we ignore. You see, and then now what happened is, hey, Ndarasika, can you help me?
Yeah.
I'm like, oh hi. The guy was like, hi, can I have your number? Me being me, I was like, you know what, got here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is what I encountered in my life about places. So yeah.
So I'm seeing you chilling with a friend here. Hello, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. So also, in your stay at campus, have you ever encountered like my blessers anonga chuya kuzotsvaga my baby around campus, and can you just give us an overview of what happens kana my blessers achuya kuzotsvaga my baby?
Particularly, it's not like Dini Daka. It's not like Dini Daka approach this guy, but I had a roommate, like entry part 2, if I'm not mistaken. So this roommate, I wear every day. I check my pizza, my Nando's, and all that. And then this girl about him, now we're going out for coffee. So I'm like, out for coffee? Like and then the girl Vati, let's just go. So I went there to village, Broad village. So that's when I met this lady. Avanditi, she got up and couldn't try my drinks. So back I don't try my drinks. I know because I can she white. So like Patka got up a table. This lady manje akavata ufona ni friend yake why don't you hook up with this guy. So pakazopera like almost like 45 minutes about this guy hi, how are you? So pandakamtarisa, you look like my father. So ndakatoti what, like it was like my first time to approach kwa name nakadaro, because in my life and some approach who like that. So ndakabva my friend but I have to go campus. It was at, I think around 9. So ndaenda ndamuudza friend yangu yabati zveni you don't have to go, just chill nishi. Then this guy is stakuenda. So akabva abuda bvaenda I don't know kwaka ina nemukomana wake. And then this now guy ndakamutesa ndavana you look like my father, chinomu explain that I look like my father. Skanzi mia ndikuendese campus bonza nauda kutoenda campus. So ndasvika pa use it pa gate. No, Vanity, and depend on my daughter. I was like, fine, let me give you my number. So, but I number, bye. No, Vanity, she got come and bring the rubber swinton. Did you got more man? The governor money echo cash 700.
700, like
700
US dollars. Yeah, okay.
For you get echo cash.
No.
So, like, Madam Fona, I didn't go actually, but that's not number that. Then when I told the friend, young guys would joke up, I net, you understand that 700, I mean, don't marry them biscuits. So I was happy, but didn't marry, because that time I did not have money. But at the same time, I was like, munhu andingambompe 700 angangonipa 700 mahara. It cannot happen that way. So after I think 2 days, this guy abva afona skanzi ndiripa campus nombro kuona ndobva ndabuda skanzi, can you please wear something sexy, we are going out. I'm like, sexy? What kind of sexy? You know, in zvine pressure these things to tell you. Kumba kweli, I'm not saying kuti hakuna mari, but mari dzatopiwa nemaparents kuti toenda kuno kuchikoro as disi dzema 700 USD kutobhadhara fees for the next 2 semesters that time. So ndakabva ndabuda for sure, ndakafika zvinhu zviri 6 abva ndabuda vandaenda vandaenda mota yacho heaven on earth, you know what I mean. So ndaenda mumota vamia takaenda ku this place and the country club, I think it's in Bordeaux. Tava taenda tava tasvika kunonerwa bhora makachila, you know those places zekuti nanengari vakagara kumatable haya.
Wangoine mukomana here panguva yese?
Nandinaye.
Saka asingazizive kuti wokwenda.
Ngasingadombozivi nengomuzoti ashani unochila nemafriends angu, something like that. So ndaenda papa ndobva papa nemabreastins aya, you know, like tora chokwadika unokakurirako marika, but unoona kuti out there ka kune zvinhu zvinonakidza,
kunoona nemari tani yauri
kuona nemari. So ndaenda majikoke kune mabreastins akabva panapa kusvika kuzasi zvanditora nyama yauri kuda. In my life, like what? Ndatora plate ndaorder mazinyama plate yangu yakazara like this ine nyama. Ndasvika paipo ndadya. Then this guy, I think that's up my 9. Ndikati ndomurodziswa campus. But in my mind ndakuti I know this guy adult demand sex from me, but I cannot give him that. Ndobvati kunga ngoenda ku campus here, let's go somewhere to chill. Exactly. So ndadaro paipo munobva tomonditishi ande mumota taenda mumota paipai ndida kudzosera kucampus munobva amisa chimota. So let's just go, just kiss me, you know, like kind of thing. That I cannot kiss you. I will never kiss you because I don't want that. You know how it is. Obviously, people just forgot to kunyema, but I don't go kiss someone. The man at Zugro campus.
Nah, unyeba. I don't kiss you. 700.
That's a lie.
700. Yaburiswa.
I'm thinking that you're lying.
I'm not lying. I didn't kiss him. Honestly, I wanted things, but I didn't kiss him. No, no, get off when I was at campus. Next minute when I block but later on I was regret. I want Maria Pinda Gigi.
So you wanted money. Alright, so Douglas, have you ever had somebody sending you money?
For no reason.
For no reason,
no.
Yeah. Like a blesser sending you money for no reason.
No, that haven't happened. Like it happened. But I do have somebody I know who went through that, and actually what happened, she didn't get money kusendwa. We went out, you know, as friends, we were girls, and we met those guys. So vanhu vatikasangana navava ndobva vatoti iwo ndakufarira chichi vachireva friend yangu. So now the thing is panga pane ndotichi zvinoitika ndezvekuti aka-approacha my friend was somebody ari kuma early 20s, 22, 23.
Yeah.
And achiti ndiye ari kuda chibaby, you understand? So a friend yangu akati this cute guy andifarira chichi. So ndakuda sei ndakumbotaura naye ka. So akabva muti can you escort me kuenda somewhere? Ndobva vabuda vese. And now pavakabuda vese vakabva vabuda this guy, this older guy.
How old do you think this guy was in terms of being old?
In terms of being old, yeah. I feel like maybe 45.
45 years.
45,
yeah. 46
days. So
and
now,
you are 20.
I'm 20.
Yeah, okay, I see.
So now vakabuda. So friend yangu anga excitement yekuti ari kubuda this younger guy. Vabuda vese then anzi vakudzoka kubva kunhu kwanga vaenda. Then the guy anga abuda naye ndiye driver. So this older guy was also in the car. Ndobva atomuti bata mari ndokuda.
Wow.
Iye now manje aisaida mari, but because of the situation and the location they were now, I got kondikarieta this way ndobva ndadainzwo kondikadaisa ndobva ndadainzwo. zvekuti the time yaakadzoka from that trip yanga vaenda right akatosvika chinditi I need to talk to you, like this literally happened, ndiri pamawa ndoita sei. So it's scary in a way.
So you we've noted that you trying to, you know, compete for the 2024 Miss UZ pageant, right?
Yeah.
How has it been so far for you, and what advice do you have for girls out there who want to compete for the same pageant but they are at risk of my blessers vanenge promise a lot of stuff, because we understand that, you know, the pageant requires a lot of stuff from sponsorship. For example, you need dresses, you need heels, you need to go to gym, you need a lot of stuff, camping, etc. And individually, you can't afford. An individual can't maybe afford to have those things. What advice do you have to people out there?
Okay, first of all, I would say, guys, pageantry is not all about blazers like you think. I feel like people think if uchita pageantry wakuita zvakati. It's not all about that. So pertaining the issue misuse it, right? Most of the stuff we do is sponsored. So you have a chance to try to get in, because this whole thing is what is sponsored. And how do you get sponsorship? There are people out there who are not going to feel like, you know what, I want to sponsor this thing. And Miss UZ being one of the big 5 pageantry in Zimbabwe, you know, to one of my sponsors.
Yeah.
Saka, there's no risk of you getting yourself into trouble or into doing certain stuff just because you are trying to have fancy things. We just say we join a pageantry, and most of the things, gosh, no kwanisa kuita pageantry is like they are affordable.
Yeah.
Saka tizobudisa mari yakawanda.
So say you've won to be Miss UZ, what's the first thing you're gonna do? You are the face of face of the University of Zimbabwe. You're the queen. What are you gonna do?
What I'm gonna do? That's a good question.
Because the judges are gonna ask you that.
Yeah, that's a good question. Honestly, first of all, I believe the reason why we had this topic about blazers and so on is because ladies out there, they want they are being pressurized by Snabasa, auntie, and my life yet sina. Two, the other thing is it's because equity atina mari, auntie. So now takuva vulnerable. Yeah, we know girl child vulnerable, what. But but I believe if us ladies, auntie, us young people, ladies, we're innovative, auntie, if we empower each other to overtangle my businesses. For example, I sell uncut products. I'm an MKY distributor. So I'll get
MKY is about Hilary Makai.
Yeah. I'll get you understand? Because you're doing something. Some cannot say
yeah.
Okay, nungo, obviously, but if you work hard, so being given a chance to be the voice, and I would make sure kuti vaskana out there, kuti vabe on a better future, and to avoid my situations kuti when you get money now work to find out you know what, afford the lifestyle. Well, list you can't afford that life. So I feel like we should just be innovative and start businesses. I
get you.
If you can do this, do that.
Dope.
So as to get money. When these people get into your life.
I get you, man. So, have you ever heard about Vaskana on campuses who use juju? Kudonza varume, like mablessers, etc.
Yes, like rume changu ya kundi pablessa. Angane this big regara imumumona ngarine tunu, you know. Firstly akatanga ndipa ndibau.
Yeah.
Yakuti pandakaizora ka. Ndangoizora just ngoizora singazivi kuti ndiye juju and stuff. Ndava ndaizora, I think ndakabva ku Swinton kusvika kuzasi ku computer center. Ndakasvika koko ndaapproachwa almost like 10 people.
Wow.
I'm telling
Vakumana.
Yes.
Guys, are you hearing this? So our viewers out there to my baby, I'm kusangana nawo much approach at times. No, coach. Lip balm here in a juju, guys.
So
wow.
like, asinambo ndine munhu wakanaka 10 people and muclass seva vangandimhaka vamwe vangondimaka I don't know what reason but vamwe kuti like example yaniko you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I had my big
Saka
afro.
even say wako vanga wakutostopa newe.
I think
Your lecturer.
So. Yeah, exactly.
Because of the juju which was on the lip balm.
Exactly. And
wow.
then that lady, yeah, angane mwe white eye sprayer pasquibili. Obati otora started I think the blazer. I need like 500.
Wow.
Obati ndida kumisa mota dzakanaka. I don't know zvaita. So tiri pa NC1 pane not NC1, NC4. Pane murume akasvika bati aifamba nemota shanzi ndikoda kuti mota iyo imire paano and ndo zvakaitika exactly like that.
Wow.
I'm telling you.
Wow.
And
So,
kutaura mazita.
Jokas, have you ever had like something like that before?
Not here. But then what she's saying, yo, that's scary.
Yeah.
Takutochka kutosanga. Ndakutochka. But yeah, ndozviziva zvangu, but here on campus asati hamundambosangana na anybody. But back home,
yeah.
You know, issues to do with hey anamanjuzu, varume vevanhu and stuff. So those guys, the rumor says, if ndikafila kuti ndoda munhu, right? Ndikamutarisa, I can get that person.
Wow.
And
yeah.
And ndokwanisa kufemirons uyani mari. Asiri mota make.
Exactly.
Asiri mota make.
Asiri mota make. Like just walking up.
Exactly.
I can pick it. This person has money. Yeah. So pana pangu asenda mbuzonya tosangana ne munhu anodaro. But then in real life our girls are doing it.
Wow. So now let's come to STIs. You know, on campus we've noticed that there's a lot of prevalence of STIs, etc. on campus. How are you guys managing? Sevano Aripa campus, about my STIs and Enga Ari so much infesting people actually affect our. How are you guys managing? And what's the best way to actually,
the reason why I'm not scared of this is because I am not dating. Yeah. And also guys, just avoid and protect yourself. Actually, just abstain. Because yeah, we do want to enjoy, we do want to have fun, but at the same time, this fun is costing us our lives. So imagine vakumba kwenyu utori dokas asiri kurwara. Then washikapa use it. And wakutanga, and I believe kuti aistomborinye aizi reason evano epana. Reason yechi ema sugar daddy. Girls now they are going out there and vonotsvaga mari. And nzira dzavakutsvaga nadzo mari ndopanga chitira kuti tikaimpowana tikatanga ma small business dzakaita sekutengesa ma products kuita sei kurukana nails beauty whatever and so on zvaukukwanisa iwo and we can avoid situations ekuti vasikana vari kubuda out there, they are going to offer their bodies kushi kuvana and they come back, hi babe, chichi babe pamwatoriwo neimwewo girlfriend yake pacampus, babe achaendawo pashi
big girlfriend,
another girlfriend. STI not to spread. You understand? But now tika avoid a situation yanga tichitaura yekuda mari and I think manage it and also just abstain. Guys, do you know what? You know what? Guys be like,
can you abstain?
I can. Wow. I can do that. You know what? Guys be like, you know what? Yo ndokuda chichichi, but ukamunyima sex, they'll be like, relationship yedu kasa ondide, what. But trust me, that person is gonna respect you. To be honest, that person is going to respect you. Yeah, I'm not gonna somewhere for that meantime. But if achikuda and sex a better relationship, that's a lie.
So to guys at home, I don't know what you think about that and the sex a better relationship.
Sex at home, but change it as a relationship. Change it as a relationship.
But for one way, not to like sex, to turn up bond. You know what I mean?
Let's take a look at those prostitutes. Do they bond?
Because these people are for money,
even men.
Exactly.
Only ladies, vanotora sex as an attachment, you understand?
Yeah.
But guys, that's a lie. Most guys do it for fun and they move on. That is where you're not my situations I put in wadita ningi happen per campus and
But vanhu vaya vanozozuraya varume mostly I think it's sexual.
okay. On that topic yekuti murume anozviraira over musikana chinoitika ndechekuti men follow their investment. You get they follow their investment. Apana munhu anosungirira pamunhu waasina kumboinvesta in. You know, there is love there, not sex. There is love.
But it's
so ndakaona unge university students vanotora sex kunge love. But love is very different. You can date somebody and for years, yeah, mogoregaita sex. Achiuda.
true.
It's very possible. Achiwo spoiler, achita say antka. But the problem is we think kuti sex ichakuita kuti iwe nemunhu yeye mubonde and now the other thing is chimwe chinhu chinozoita kuti vamwe vanhu vasa engage into sexual activities is religion. You understand?
Okay.
Isusu kuchechi kwedu antka fornication unotoprofita kuchechi kwedu unoprofita by the way. Saka if you get yourself into certain things zvakaita seizvozvo now hakuchaendeka
church kwacho
uchicha kuchaendeka
Wow.
uri mwana wamai mufundisi you have to go to church.
Yeah.
I get you.
So you can survive without sex.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay.
Mashoko makuru ari kubva kune mabhebhi aninawo panapa guys. It's DjMambo and I've had Nicole and Dorcas on this episode, and you guys have heard what they've been telling you about, my blessers, my STIs, etc, all around. So you're around campus. Your last few words to the people out there. We know you're competing for Miss UZ. How can people vote for you? How can they support you, Dorcas?
Okay, guys, izvo zvandisati takuziva zvelink. We're not yet sure of the information yekumberi. But then a few words for you guys. 1, sex haibate relationship, guys. Don't waste your time with wrong people doing wrong things. Focus on your future. Be goal oriented. Ziva zvauri because varume vamazuva guys varuda munhu anoziva zvaari kuda in life and they want vakadzi vakabudirira. So sex is neither of zvese izvozvozvo. Hapana qualification, hapana certificate raunowana nokudza kuti uyu anogona zvakati saka achimuda. It's not gonna happen. And also ngatifarire kuva innovative nekutanga mabasa.
That's nice words, man. Thank you so much.
Let's work hard as women. Let's work hard to be a better version of yourself.
So on campus, what's the weirdest thing that has ever happened to you in terms of a blesser approaching you? What's the weirdest thing you've ever encountered?
Here on campus, somebody was like, Joyce, I'm walking. She can't see Joyce. I don't know about Baba. Baba wakatobuda mmoto.
Saka baba yongo.
Iwe Joyce.
Serious?
Nokuziva. Ha. Vaneta yohandisi Joyce. She can see. Sorry. Chinipoka number dzako.
Sana. Sokuti obeyoti ngati wanga une makuru mangani?
Ndichaziva.
Maybe an estimate.
An estimate. Koko kumsoro.
Like what, 50? Wanga ne mota yake
This is my dad's age. Vangava ne a Benz. E-class. Yeah. Vakatoburuka zvakanzi Joyce. I'm like, Joyce?
Yeah.
Maybe
you remind about Joyce.
No, you get confused now because you're like,
yeah.
Joyce inini. Noba ndikabva ndati no handisi Joyce. Vabva vato apologize aka. Sorry. Pamwe vasi bless.
Yeah.
Okay, bless achi.
Munhu anokupa mari which anosatisfy
Is
your
it the age
wants
or
probably
somebody who just satisfies your wants?
both.
Yes.
I can have a blesser around 25, 6. Because kumba maybe very well kept,
Okay,
exactly.
So somebody who's just giving you money,
exactly.
blessing you,
satisfying me with my needs. I'm going to do that Brazilian here. I'm not going to, you know what, it's just pocket money or 10 and or
But
100.
now, what's wrong if you have that person as your boyfriend and at 25 years, you're only 20,
really
22 or 23? If boyfriend, you go sky blazer.
It can be. Exactly.
Anyways, that's it from us, guys. Thank you so much for joining this episode. And yeah, I hope we're gonna get to meet other girls in the streets who are gonna tell us more about their experiences on campus. This was the most DjMambo the King. Guys, and scooped up a camera is but I know you're gonna hear my voice as Kale. One love. I love you so much, guys. Yeah.